Wagwan Massive, welcome back to this channel. I am preparing popcorn chicken my way. So I am using 2 chicken breasts that I cut into strips, and each strip I cut into small cubes. Then I wash with vinegar and water and then put to drain, and then use a piece of paper towel to get rid of the excess water. Season with salt, and I use 1/8 teaspoon salt, and then Maggi all-purpose, Maggi chicken season, some seasoned salt with no MSG, black pepper, this spice is a combination of ginger, pimento, and garlic, onion powder, garlic powder, complete seasoning, paprika. You don't have to use the seasoning, the spices that I use, and you don't have to use the amount that I use as well. And to add a bit of spiciness, I added 1 teaspoon of Scotch bonnet pepper powder. In the container is 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I am adding 1, 2, 3, 4 teaspoons of cornstarch. Season with some paprika, Maggi all-purpose, Maggi chicken season. Jamaicans are Maggi loving people. We love Maggi products. And some seasoned salt, no MSG. I love this season. Put some of the seasoned chicken breast cubes, that's what I call them, into the seasoned flour mixture, and basically drench them into the flour mixture, and then shake off the excess amount of flour mixture. Now in the meantime, put a Dutch pot with 1/4 cup of vegetable oil on medium low heat.